Hey guys, thanks here. Welcome back to the video. So, I know you already saw a video on my marshmallow helmet. The whole costume just came in, so I just want to show you guys my costume. The whole costume. So we're going to go ahead and switch through every single part of the costume and show you guys every single part. Alright, so we're back. We have the helmet off. We have all the LEDs off. So as I said before in the intro, I wanted to show you guys piece by piece for my new Comic-Con cosplay and Halloween costume. So yeah, I'm going to show you piece by piece. So we're going to start from bottom to the top. So first, usually he really wears high tops. So what my parents did for me, they got me high top shoes, which are really dope. Nike, by the way. They're really good. Black and white, just like Marshmello. You can see right there. So, yeah. That's it, Nike, you know, has a little nice size and all that. So next, and those are the shoes, guys, for both my cosplays. So next, we have my pants. So my pants, this is something Marshmello would wear, not to his concerts, but, you know, for pictures and photo ops and all that. He wears this, trust me. I saw pictures. Okay, so this is what he wears, basically. Kind of like ripped up jeans. He doesn't have this, but still, I think this would make a cool addition. He usually wears ripped up jeans, so yeah, it goes with Marshmello. Yeah, here as well. Yeah, so that's that. Zippers open up and all that. JK, they don't. All right, so next up we have my shirt. So guys, this shirt actually came from Marshmello's website, mellogang.com. Go ahead and check it out if you want his exclusive merch. But the shirt is basically this. The white shirt has a Marshmello Halloween theme on the top left, or top right actually. On both sleeves it has Marshmello. Kind of see.
And bones.
It says Marshmello and bones. Then the back, the giant icon of the Halloween Marshmello. So yeah. That's the shirt. I know it's going really fast, guys, but I have to cut it short. So this, y'all saw it in my other videos. Y'all saw it in all this. It's back. Guys, sneak peek. No one knows about this. Don't tell anyone. I'm getting a new Marshmello helmet. Alright, that's not everything. If you want to know more information about this, go ahead and go to, you know, my other YouTube video about it. So yeah, go to my YouTube video if y'all want to see this. So yeah. Then guys, y'all are like, wait, you think that's it? But and I'm like, no, that's not it. Guess what, guys? I got a backpack. Marshmello does not sell this. I got it from Amazon. I'm about to show the front in 3, 2, 1. So this is actually glow in the dark. It's not very strong though. This cost us about $30. It's a speaker that has multiple LEDs and all this.
We're gonna put links in the description to all this.
Yeah, for all this stuff, links in the description as well for this beautiful Marshmello helmet.
In case people want to, you know.
In case people want to use it for cosplay or anything. This speaker was only like $30 from Amazon. As you can see, the modes, you know, changes, dots, you know, color reflections. Those are sound reactive. There's no sound. So yeah, nice little stuff right there. But I really love this mode, the rainbow mode. I'm gonna play music because a lot of people in my neighborhood, they don't know who Marshmello is. So they probably still heard Happier, but they don't know who made it. You know what I mean, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and play Happier. I'm gonna play all those famous songs like Alone, Happier, Here With Me, all those things. Okay? So that's what this is for. Plays music while I'm walking around. So with that, I'm gonna
and you can carry your candy in it.
Yeah. So if y'all didn't know, like every year, last year I had a Flash backpack for my costume last year. That was my Flash costume. I used it for school for like the last year. So I'm gonna switch backpacks to the Marshmello backpack. So, bye Flashy. So yeah, I think that's gonna end it here, guys. So remember to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, be like, it was cool or funny or whatever. Again, these will put a link in the description for everything. Guys, thank you for watching. Thanks, world.